Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Moi tia jai se lai pata loble garden te. I'll show you how to ferment mustard leaves. First, I have to collect mustard leaves from my garden. Wash the mustard leaves well to remove any dirt or insects. Spread out the washed leaves and keep it in the sun for 3-4 hours. Dry the mustard leaves until they are limp. While drying, frequently check and turn the leaves to ensure all are drying equally. Crush or pound the wilted leaves. It is your choice. You can gently crush or you can crush well. It's your choice. You can crush gently or you can crush well, but not a paste. The rest I'll do the same process. Press it. Press as tightly as possible. It should be covered all the corners. Ensure the corners are covered, otherwise the ferment mustards could spoil. Put some heavy weight on top. Heavy weight is kept so that it does not get spoiled. Keep it in a warm place for 3-4 days. Keep at least 3 days. After 3 days, almost ready to eat. Squeeze out the water. You can use this to make salads, chutneys or curries, or you can dry it. After squeezing out the water, boil it until it gets thick. Boiling on medium flame can cause it to overflow, so stir continuously. Mustard juice will foam up and overflow at the beginning of boiling, so stir continuously. You must check repeatedly while boiling to ensure it does not burn the sauce. When it's almost ready, dim the flame to prevent the sauce from burning. The sauce is ready. Let it cool and then transfer it in a glass jar. Store the sauce in a glass jar so that water will not release and the sauce will last for a year. Thank you so much for watching.